Hey guys, so I prepared the head for the next steps. I tried my best to clean the oil and the debris from the polish on the bottom half of the head, and now I'm gonna disassemble the valves and I'm gonna try to refit them, and I'm gonna replace the seals that are on top of the seats of the valves, but I'm gonna slightly change the plan because my original idea was to simply refit the valves, install the new seals all over the head, on top, on the valves, and all the gaskets and everything, and mount the turbine and get this thing back on its place. But at the moment I got inspired, and since I have never done this, but I have always wanted to, I'm gonna spend a bit more time and I'm gonna try to clean this surface over here where the intake manifold is meeting the head. These ports are for the intake, and as you can see they are with some dots and uneven stuff, so I'm not gonna polish them because I know it may have the opposite effect. But if I clean this and leave just a little bit of scratches and stuff like that, actually it is gonna reduce the friction between the air and the side ports, so that way I'm gonna increase the speed and the amount of air that gets inside of the cylinder, which will mean, of course, that this is gonna produce more power. So basically the air will gonna get inside in the cylinder with ease, without any friction, and this is gonna be hopefully a good thing for the engine. And the other thing is that I'm gonna polish the exhaust ports, because this, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to polish them, but I'm gonna clean them. I'm going to clean them the best way that I can, and I'm gonna even try to polish them, of course. There is no problem with that on this end, and I'm gonna try my best to polish the valves as well, and we are gonna see how it is gonna go from there. So I'm going to use this homemade device. It looks like this, to remove the valves, and then I'm gonna start with the cleaning and the fitting of everything. So let's get to work. Here is the first one. It looks like this. This one is a little bit better. I mean, it worked a little bit better. This is not okay. This shouldn't be here. That means that there is way too much oil. This is how it looks like now.